Mukuti Amman asking, why you need another person between you and God? Looks like a good question. In Hindu culture, you tell me, when do you go to your Baba? When your life becomes tough, when you don't get good alliance for your daughter, when you're lost in your business, hardly 10-15 times. And that too not all of them, with the kind of negative picture that's been propagated on a sage. It's a big thing if you have met a guru 10 times in your life. But in other religions, if you want to connect with God, you could go through only by a father, pastor or ulama. All the time a mediator is a must. But is it the same way in Hindu? No way. You all know the Hindu means God is our making. Ishtadevata. We make our own gods. No damn mediator is standing between you and God. So it's always fathers or ulamas standing between you and God, not any Hindu saint. For you to be Hindu, nobody needs to certify you. But for you to be a Christian, you should be baptized by a father. He should name you. If father wishes, even he can throw you out of the church. Here when Mukuti Amman goes to pastor, she didn't ask why you are needed between people and God. Amman says Jesus is her friend.
Jesus your friend da.
All the idiots who watching this shit got fooled because the character itself is Hindu God. Okay, let's consider Jesus is friend to Amman. But why Amman gets angry when Tirupati Balaji's name is uttered? Amman is not getting angry with Jesus because he is world famous, right? But she is getting angry with our local god Tirupati Balaji. Mukuti Amman says a great scientific discovery that people are gathering at Palani temple because Panchamritam is offered there. What about the people who are getting converted for bread and shouting Alleluia? And which is more in number? People going to Palani just to have Panchamritam or people getting converted for bread? Just like hiding egg in the biryani, in this movie they have hidden Mary Amman inside Mari Amman. But this is not new to our Tamil society. This dirty fellow R.J. Balaji, the hero in this movie, named himself as Engels Ramaswamy. He says Engels is the name of a Russian communist. We can understand that Ramaswamy is E.V. Ramaswamy alias Periyar, okay? Periyar in his life, in the beginning he went against only Vaishnavites. Leaders of Shaivite section Hindus supported him. Shaivite Kunrakudi Adikalar stood with him. Later, Periyar started opposing Shaivism also. Only then bell rang in Kunrakudi Adikalar's head. He started opposing Periyar. If you look at the movie, Engels Ramaswamy is doing the same thing what Periyar alias E.V. Ramaswamy did. He starts his abuses with Siddhas, yogis and sages, and then he speaks against Tirupati Balaji and Palani Murugan, the gods revered by crores of people, not just in India but from different parts of the world. And then he speaks in the favor of family deity worship. But later in the movie, they will ridicule the family deity worship also. What the fuck are you trying to incite in people's minds? The Baba character in the movie says, only in Tamil Nadu we are not able to get votes on the basis of religion. In the last election, do you know how many churches in Tamil Nadu supported in one particular party? They conducted prayer meetings against victory of few parties. Just not that, one bishop had an alliance with a particular party and asked for votes. So it is not an issue here if a Muslim or a Christian asks vote in the name of religion, but they are ranting that Hindus are coming to do communal politics, even though Hindus are not even asking for votes. Hindus are the ones who are known to do nothing right. It is not in the very nature of a Hindu to get up and come even if his own family is beaten up. Even if you spit on their faces, they just say, okay, my karma. Communal rights, hada pavi. Here, God is our making. There is no broker between you and God. Romba pesna, I am God myself soliduvanga, okay? Here it's all about becoming God. You come with me to Kashi, I'll take you to Nagababas. You ask them who they are. They will say, my Mahakal hum. My Kalabhairav. Shambho Shankar. They are not kidding. In their experience, they have become one. The allegations that you are raising in the movie is that there is a fake saint in Hindu. You tell me where there is no fake. We have fake doctors. We have fake engineers. Fake scientists. Fake pastors. Fake mullahs. Why the fuck are you highlighting only Hindu? Just type in Google pastor rape. You tell me, because there are fake doctors, do you stop going to doctors? Aren't you searching for a good doctor when you get pain in your back? In the same way, just because few babas are fake, if you ridicule the entire spiritual culture, you are asking for a tight slap on your face. This is a strategy to weaken the Hindus just to convert more to their religion. Mary Amman, who heads Palani Murugan and Tirupati Balaji, says Jesus is her friend. Whose family deity is Jesus? Whose family deity is Jesus? Do Mukuti Amman dare to ask a pastor or a ulama that why there is a broker needed between man and God? You know what? The fake pastor CD scene is not there in the movie. It was even removed from the YouTube promo. Why? If you ask why you removed that scene from the movie, they will call you a Sangi. Fearing that they will call you Sangi, you don't be coward and leave them unquestioned when they abuse your spiritual culture. Namaskaram.